How to increase the bass on your AirPods, whether you're using AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, or even the standard AirPods. If you love that rich, deep bass in your music, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, if you're using AirPods Pro or AirPods Max, getting the right fit is crucial for proper bass response. Simply go to your iPhone and open Settings. Once there, scroll down and tap Bluetooth. Tap the eye next to your AirPods Pro. When done, tap Ear Tip Fit Test. Then select Continue. Follow the prompts to test which ear tip gives you the best seal. A good seal equals better bass. When done, tap Done. Now let's tweak the EQ settings. And by doing so, simply go back to Settings on your iPhone. Once there, scroll down to tap Music. Then tap on EQ. Now choose Increase Bass from the list. Remember, this only applies to music played through the Apple Music app. If you're using Spotify or another app, you'll need to adjust settings there. Some apps, like Spotify and Boom, offer custom equalizers. Now for Spotify, simply open the Spotify app. Then tap on the profile picture on the top left corner. Once there, go to Settings and Privacy. From there, tap Playback and then finally select Equalizer, tap the toggle to turn it on. Finally, select a preset like Bass Booster, or manually increase the lower frequencies. And that's it! If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.